So today we're going to be testing the new bundle and what is added and all of the new features. So make sure to stick around till the end so you can find out yourself how all of these new features work. So first up, you're going to want to go ahead and turn on your Minecraft launcher. Go to new installations, then go over to versions and then press on latest snapshot 24W48. Press on create. Then go all the way down till you see 24W40A under the unnamed installation, or if you've given it a name, just press on that one. And now press on play. Wait for the game to load up. Then press on single player. Press on create new world. And just go ahead and go into creative mode. Press on create new world. Now Minecraft has added the bundle to save inventory slots and keep everything organized for the player. So for example, let's try to fill up our inventory as fast as possible. So as you can see, I've already filled up my entire inventory. So let's just pick out a bundle and let's just fill out the bundle with all of our stuff. So I don't know why the texture has changed, but well, as you can see, I've already filled out the entire inventory, and for some reason I can't put access and stuff into the bundle. But yeah, as you can see, you can really easily fill out your entire inventory. So the bundle is really useful to sort out your inventory and gain some extra inventory slots. So Minecraft has not yet added a recipe for the bundle, but we have gotten some teasers about that the recipe will be made with string and leather. So thank you all very much for watching. This is me testing out all of the bundle's features and stuff. You can also dye different colors, which I haven't said in the video yet. But yeah, you can just dye colors with the dye item in Minecraft. Anyways, thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.